Hey guys, welcome to the Effects Guy channel, and today I'm introducing a new series called Quick Fix. And in this series I'll be providing you with free After Effects templates for different different effects. Alright, so you could easily just adjust. It's called Quick Fix because in case you want to make a parallax slideshow, it's easy to just uh, replace the pictures there with your pictures and it's all done. All right, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and today we're doing this.